Abel is a new business owner that is worried about his obligations now that he runs his business. He is especially worried about paying taxes. His friend Jasmine directs him to a website which breaks down the taxes as well as the different timelines for payment. Abel finds out that he has to pay the following taxes: company income tax or CIT. Companies are generally required to pay 30% CIT to the Federal Inland Revenue Service or the FIRS. Due to the Finance Act 2019, however, companies with an annual turnover of less than 25 million naira do not have to pay CIT. Medium-sized companies with an annual turnover of 25 to 100 million naira are to pay a lower CIT of 20%, while larger companies with an annual turnover over 100 million naira pay the standard 30% CIT. Tertiary Education Tax or TET. Companies are also required to pay TET at the rate of 2% of profits calculated by the FIRS at taxable profits. Value Added Tax or VAT. Businesses engaged in the supply of goods and services are to charge VAT at the rate of 7.5% by adding it to the prices of goods and services supplied. This charge should be reflected on receipts and invoices and remitted to the FIRS. Personal Income Tax or PIT. Employers are required to deduct PIT from the salaries of their employees according to the pay-as-you-earn scheme. PIT is calculated by employers or self-employed individuals by applying rates ranging between 7% to 24%, depending on the amount of taxable income of its employees or taxable profit earned respectively. Capital Gains Tax or CGT. This tax is only payable when you sell assets such as land, debts, vehicles, and any other form of property and earn profits. The rate is 10% of the profits made by the owner of the disposed assets, withholding tax or WHT. Companies have to deduct tax from certain payments at the rate of 5% or 10%, depending on the nature and beneficiary of such payments. They include dividends, interest, fees for services rendered, which includes directors' fees, management fees, consultation fees, and so on. It is therefore important that startups engage a tax lawyer to provide tax advice. Abel is now aware of his tax obligations and can plan towards being tax compliant.
For more details on taxes and returns for small businesses, visit the ULaw website at www.ulaw.ng today.